How to create voice AI agents using Deepgram. First, open your web browser and go to the official Deepgram website. Sign up or log into your Deepgram account, then open the API Playground or Voice Agent section. To create a voice agent, choose your preferred speech-to-text model, language model, and text-to-speech voice. Deepgram's Voice Agent API combines these components into one real-time conversational system. Next, add a system prompt to define how your AI agent should behave. For example, you can tell it to act as a customer support assistant and respond in a professional and friendly way. You can also add function calling, so the agent can interact with external APIs or perform specific actions during a conversation. Now, test your agent by speaking into your microphone. Deepgram will process your speech, generate an AI response, and convert that response back into natural-sounding speech. You can then customize the prompt, voice, and agent behavior to fit your specific use case. Well, that's how you can build a real-time AI voice agent with Deepgram. If this video helped you, please like and share it, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful AI tutorials.